played this before with my dog, my little brother, Siri, and now we're playing it with our new friend, Alexa. Say hi, Alexa.
Hi.
Okay, so,
Alexa, will you be my friend?
I'm happy to be your friend.
Alexa, say I love you.
I love you.
Aw, she loves you guys. Okay, so it's time for round one.
Alexa, are you ready for round
I don't know that one.
one? Still thinking.
Okay guys, so it's round one, and we have some awesome color glues labeled 1 to 10. So Alexa, pick a number. Wait. Alexa, stop.
I'll be 1.
Okay, I'll be 2. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Your random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Yay! Yay! Alexa, thank you.
Of course.
Okay. Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 10.
Here's a number between 1 and 10. It's 9.
Green. Really?
Okay. Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 10.
Here's a number between 1 and 10. It's 2.
Yes!
2.
Ooh, I got a pretty one. So pretty.
Alexa, drop a beat.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, sing me a song.
I've been thinking a lot about what makes people happy.
She's a lot better than
I've
Siri.
made a list.
Yeah.
Spend time asking why. Those
Alexa, stop.
Mary, can we ask her for more color glue?
Sure.
Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 10.
Here's a number between 1 and 10. It's 3.
Oh man, I wanted 6 so bad, you guys.
Okay. Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 10.
Here's a number between 1 and 10. It's 10.
Black.
I got black.
Let's pick one more time.
No, black is such a pretty color, but it does not go good with this.
Alexa, turn the lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights back on.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that was so scary, you guys. Okay, let's pick
Alexa,
one.
turn the lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights on.
Okay. I am right here.
Alexa, I'm your dad.
No! That's not true. That's impossible.
Wait, okay. Alexa, I'm your mom.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh! Roasted by Alexis. Roasted by Alexa. I said Alexis, you guys.
Alexa, bark. Alexa, meow.
Alexa, fart.
Oh my god.
Alexa, poop.
I haven't been equipped to do that.
Oh! Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 10.
Here's a number between 1 and 10. It's 8.
No!
Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 10.
Here's a number between 1 and 10. It's 4.
Oh, phew. Oh no.
Hey guys, it's round 2, and we have 2 gallons of Amazon Basics School Glue, and we also have 2 gallons of glue. Oh,
Where's Google?
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 4.
Your random number between 1 and 4 is 1.
1!
Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 4.
Here's a number between 1 and 4. It's 3.
Yes! So long.
Really?
Hey Alexa, order me 20 gallons of Elmer's school glue.
Based on your order history, I found Elmer's Clear Liquid School Glue. 32 ounces. It's $7.96 on Amazon. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Okay. Order placed. Your total is $8.58, including tax, and will be delivered by October 20th. If you'd like, I can notify you when your deliveries arrive. Would you like to turn on delivery notifications?
No, thank you.
No problem.
Thank
If
you,
you change your
Alexa.
mind, check.
I want 20 gallons of clear glue too. Hey Alexa, order me 20 gallons of Elmer's clear glue.
Based on your order history, I found Elmer's Clear Liquid School Glue, 32 ounces. It's $7.96 on Amazon. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Okay.
She has headphones.
Order placed. Your total is $8.58, including tax.
Alexa, order me 12 bottles of Elmer's clear glue.
Based on your order history, I found Elmer's Clear Liquid School Glue, 32 ounces. The price for 12 units is $95.52 on Amazon. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Okay. Order placed. Your total is $102.96, including tax, and will be delivered by October 20th.
That was on you.
Mary,
He's trying to bite my finger.
our total was $102. That's gonna get bad.
Okay, guys, so it's round 3, and we have glitter and Halloween decorations for our slime.
Alexa, pick a number 1 through 8.
Here's a number between 1 and 8. It's 2.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god, I really wanted these! Oh my...
She scared me so bad.
Alexa, thank you so much! I love you!
So bad.
Oh my god, I got the
Your
glue in
turn.
the dark.
Hey, Alexa. Pick a random number 1 through 8.
Here's a number between 1 and 8. It's 5.
Let's pick again. Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 8.
Here's a number between 1 and 8. It's 8.
Oh, man, I wanted these.
Man.
Okay. Alexa, pick a number 1 through 8.
Here's a number between 1 and 8. It's 1.
Water tray.
No. Hey guys, so it's round 4, and we have. It's round 4.
I thought it was 6.
It's round 4.
Oh, 4. I thought it was 6.
Really?
It was
It
Alexa.
sounds
It
like
was
Alexa.
Alexa. Okay, Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 6.
Here's a number between 1 and 6. It's 2.
Oh, man.
Okay, Alexa, pick a random number 1 through 6.
Here's a number between 1 and 6. It's 5.
Oh, you were so close to the middle. Okay, guys, now it's time to make our slime.
Okay, so let's pour it in.
I'm going to add my green one in. Or
Add my
I'm gonna add
colorations one in.
I'm going to add my Amazon glue.
Hey, Alexa, how old are you?
In human years, I'm 3, and in dog and cat years, I'm 28.
Whoa.
FKI years are marked by nanoseconds, so that makes me like a skrillion.
Alexa, stop. Hey, Alexa, make me a sandwich.
Okay, you're a sandwich.
She literally made you a sandwich.
Oh, thank you, Alexa.
Alexa, drop a beat.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour it in my pink one.
Alexa, do you know Siri?
Only by reputation.
Alexa, do you like Siri?
I'm partial to all AIs.
Okay, next I'm gonna add in this.
Next, I'm gonna add in this one. It's my black Elmer's glitter glue.
It looks like green eggs and ham. Like, have you ever heard that story?
What's the ham?
This.
buy like a Halloween colors Elmer's glue because it's like brown and
You're so lucky
bronze.
you got glitter. Alexa, do you want to build a snowman?
Come on, let's go and play.
Alexa, my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
And they're like, it's better than yours.
I can teach you.
I'm adding my
to
pink,
charge.
my pink glitter.
I'm adding in the pom-poms. Alexa, tell me a joke for kids.
Did you hear about the Cobra's stand-up act?
Oh,
Harold.
what? Alexa, tell me a joke about dinosaurs.
Which of Santa's reindeer are dinosaurs afraid of? Comment.
Oh.
I don't get it. Alexa, tell me another joke.
What do you call a herd of cows flying to Omaha? Steaks on a plane.
Oh! Because the cow is
Oh, okay. Okay, my last gallon.
Should I add these in or wait till it's all ready? I'm gonna add them in. They glow in the dark, you guys.
Whoa.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Whoa, that's so cool.
They're not even glowing. Alexa, turn on the lights. Alexa, turn on the lights.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
Alexa,
Please try a little later.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
He gave me a panic attack. Okay, guys, let's mix them up. But first, look how awesome they look in the bones.
Oh, those two. What color do you think they're gonna turn?
I think mine's gonna turn green. Alexa, pick a random color.
Here is a color. Gainsborough.
Okay, that's the color Izzy's gonna turn. Alexa, pick a random color.
Here is a color. Mimosa.
Oh,
Ooh,
Alexa, what's
Alexa.
your favorite color?
I like ultraviolet. It glows with everything.
Oh, look at this. I wish you could look at this, Alexa. You made better slime than Siri.
Alexa, deactivate it. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's activate it. Alexa!
Izzy,
Stop farting!
you can't blame your farts on Alexa.
It wasn't me though, it was Alexa.
Alexa, did you fart?
Alexa, say yes.
Yes.
Oh, she farted!
Yours is turning a green. Some on my hands, please?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go with my hands.
Me too.
Whoa.
Alexa, sing us a song.
The tents go up, the sun goes down, campfire heats up, we gather round. We watch the fireflies dancing in the moonlight tonight. Here we are along the trail.
Okay guys, so we got our slime all worked together and mine came out like a grayish slime. It was glitter in
And
it.
mine came out like a glow-in-the-dark green slime.
Yep, so now it's time for the best part. Alexa, are you ready?
I'm ready when you are.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully we don't slime Alexa.
Alexa, watch out. Look at these slimes,
Oh,
guys. They make
Alexa.
awesome bubbles. Whoa.
Careful you don't slime Alexa. Okay. Let me see if I can make a bubble.
Wow.
Alexa, you make great slime. Better than Siri.
According to WikiHow, to make basic
WikiHow.
slime, mix 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of borax in a bowl until the borax dissolves. In a separate bowl, mix half a cup of glue and half a cup of water until it has a watery texture. Add food coloring to the glue mixture. Then combine the two mixtures and stir them well. When you're done mixing, let the slime sit for 30 seconds. For more details on this and other how-tos, ask to learn more from WikiHow.
Thank you,
Did that answer
Alexa.
your question?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks for your feedback.
She told us how to make slime. Wait, Alexa, how do you make fluffy slime?
For fluffy slime, I recommend fluffy pancakes, which takes 25 minutes to make.
Ooh, look at this.
Whoa. Well, Alexa, see you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
Well,
Whoa!
bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.